When the time is ripe, she introduces herself. At first he resents this noisy, fluttering nuisance, but eventually some deep instinct makes him realize dimly that he has to follow her. So she finally leads him to the objective, a big, fat beehive. Now all his instincts come to the surface. He knows his favorite food is in there, and nothing is going to stop him now. His hide is quite impervious to bee stings. The only vulnerable spot is the tip of his nose. At last, the payoff. This amazing partnership of the Honeyguide bird and the badger is one of nature's most intriguing examples of teamwork between different species. He doesn't eat all the loot because she's entitled to her share. Of course, the inhabitants of the